哎呦！
It was at this moment that Jonathan knew he fucked up.
Oh God, Simba. I said, do you wanna fight me? Do you wanna catch his hand?
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
Are fucking helping. You did it. You're helping. You're gonna pick this up one little kernel at a time. And you're gonna like it because I'm fucking fed up with your bullshit. I'm gonna be a horrible father one day because of you fucks.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Woody.